Yes, CG means center of gravity. It's an abbreviation. The center of gravity of an object is a point at which, if we would be able to hold that object would be completely relaxed and would not move in any way at all. Now, why do I need the center of gravity of my motorcycle? Why do I have to know where it is? I have to know it because I'm trying to lift the motorcycle with a single hook, and the hook has to be over the center of gravity for the motorcycle to stay horizontal during lifting. By these photos, I try to illustrate how a bike can be lifted horizontally. While this wasn't a successful demonstration, I tried to make line sketches on the lift and measure the weight of the motorcycle, then measure it on the vertical and horizontal end of the distance between front and rear wheel, but it really did not succeed very well, and I better show this whole thing on a simple sketch for you. So this is a sketch here. This is the front wheel, and this is the front axle. This is the rear axle. This whole thing is on the lift right now. There is a scale under each wheel to weigh the front and to weigh the back. The front weighs 250 kilograms and the rear weighs 150 kilograms. The easy way to do this by graphic is to draw a line which is supposed to have a scale, let's say a half an inch equal to a foot, and this is 62 inches. Well, let's say that this is 62 inches. And then what I measured at the front, I put it up at the rear, upwards, and what I measured at the rear, I put it downwards at the front. Then I connect the end of these lines with the sloping lines, and where the sloping line crosses the horizontal line is the center of gravity of that motorcycle. This is actually, if I would take this line and push it up till the front comes to 0, then I would end up with this diagram, which is the total weight of the motorcycle, front and rear, and this is the distance between the axles. So now I have a triangle here, and you can do it by math. Don't bother with what you see on the left here. I just checked it by math, but you really don't need it. Forget this whole thing here. And this way, I measure this distance in the same scale as I put this length down, and it's 23 inches from the front axle is the center of gravity of the motorcycle. Now, if I want to lift the motorcycle horizontally, I have to make sure that the hook, the lifting hook, is 23 inches from the front. From here on, it is immaterial how the rig is, how you support the bike. You come to this wheel like that with a rope, and this wheel like that, and wherever it is, this is immaterial. As long as the hook is over the CG, the center of gravity, the bike will lift horizontally. So that is the whole thing all about. Thank you. Oh, I meant to say that lately YouTube closed the comments, my comments, and I don't get comments. I don't know why. I did not any reason for it. I found some other picture of a chart face, and my channel name was underneath, but I really have nothing to do with it. Well, thank you very much for watching again, and I hope that this gave you an idea. Thank you.